In this set of video lectures, we will talk about stability of equilibrium points. After watching this set of video lectures, you will understand how the need for stabilization of equilibrium points arises in control problems. You will learn the following stability definitions for time-invariant systems: stability, asymptotic stability, and exponential stability. And you will learn the difference between local versus global asymptotic stability, and the same for exponential stability. Finally, you will learn your first method for analyzing stability of equilibrium points of nonlinear time-invariant systems, which is called Lyapunov's indirect method. The video lectures are based on Section 4.1, Theorem 4.7 in Section 4.3, and Corollary 4.3 in Section 4.7, all in the book Nonlinear Systems by Khalil.